That's the car on top of this Chevy truck. And it's been living here for, I don't know, maybe like 3 years so far. A big U-Haul truck hit it, and it needs now a bunch of work in addition to putting the engine back in it. We'll make it go fast again and we'll have some fun with it. Look at this. Look at that. So we have no choice. We're gonna have to drive this truck up and out of here. I know it'll start. We can get it started. One way or another, it'll start and it'll move. We might have to tug on it with something. This is gonna be fun. Nothing lives here. It has 2 tanks. One of the tanks was the one working. The other one was the one not working. I put some dirt in one of them, but now they're both, oh my God, ow. That's a bad idea. Okay, well, maybe we'll use the key. Put some dirt in the non-working tank. But I don't know if we still have that after that many years of rain and leaves. I want to say it was the front tank. Yeah, the dirt is gone. Never mind. Okay, well, let's not play with the switch. Oh. Door works. Yeah, nothing. Come on. Hood release. No, I have the dash is in the back. This is how I bought it. It's just disassembled. Nice. Battery cable. I don't know what this is going on here. Let's take out this guy. No mice. Take the dipstick out, literally. The entire thing came out. It's got oil. We don't have a rag. Yeah, that's nice. Oh. Maybe we should get a battery. Oh yes, everywhere. See, the idea is we need to fill this guy. That didn't last long. Maybe we're not getting fuel. Watch. if anything happens to this hose. Nothing. Can get an electric pump and close that opening on the side of the engine where the mechanical pump sits. This is what happens when you let your stuff sit for too long. This is what happens. So this is the fitting from the carburetor. I want to keep this bigger fitting and put a hose on it, put it on an electric pump, and then at least we can run this thing, bring it up here, see if we can get it on this lift or not. I think that's good. While you guys not looking, I screwed this on. I didn't tighten it, but I screwed it on. All right, so down here we have the fuel coming off this fuel line right there, and it loops around and goes down to the bottom of the mechanical fuel pump. You can disconnect it from down there or up here, and then install the fuel pump I bought from AutoZone. Okay, so that seems a little bit moist, so maybe there was gas in it. That's good. Typically, maybe in a high volume applications and faster pumps, you don't want to suck through a filter, because you'll have vapor. Fuel will start evaporating from the suction, and then this pump wouldn't be sucking anything. But I guess things move nice and slow in this, so it's not as much of a concern. We're gonna do this. Now this, I'll maybe bolt it right here for now. So hose number 2. Come on, get up there. I guess it's time to see if we have fuel. Something is happening. There we go. Damn it, I wasn't fast enough. Gonna keep trying. Screw on this thing. Will it run on its own now, you think? Yeah.
All the fluid probably run out of the torque converters. Probably got to pick it back up. Yep, there it goes. It's coming. That's what it is.
Yeah, just the transmission needs to fill up fluid and that's it. It's got a cherry bomb. And look at the frame, man. It's like as if it's not a Chevy. Oil pressure, look at that. Alternator works great. Look at this. We got all sorts of leaves and bugs and straw burning off of the exhaust manifold. So we should really clean this thing.
Blow it off.
Yeah, we'll have a fire if we're not too careful. Yeah, look at that. This was smoldering just a second ago. Look at that. It's just everywhere. Yep. I think it's the starter keeping us from starting this thing, you know, with the quarter of a turn start. So changing the starter, I'll look at the wires when I'm down there. I might just get a beefy wire for the starter. We'll see. Don't die on me. Amazing. Yeah, this thing is dead. One side done. If we can climb up the ramps. Oh my God, I don't think I'm gonna fit. Oh my Lord. Let's give it a try. Oh no! It's worse! Well, I think that's a wrap for this video, I think. Next time, we'll pump the back tires and the front tires again and drive it to the garage and see how we're gonna fit it on this lift. I don't think we're gonna be able to fit it on there without doing something sketchy.